Hey friends, are you ready for another Wired Up Wednesday? I'm Miss Amy with another coding experience for you to check out. With Father's Day coming up soon, the folks at Tynker have created a customizable computer game that'll get you ready to celebrate. Come on, let's check out the tutorial together. Tynker is a fantastic website meant for kids ages 5 to 17. You can explore their library of coding games for free without the need for an account, or you can sign up to access their training courses and keep track of your projects. Today we're checking out their featured Father's Day tutorial. Let's see what the game looks like first. The goal here is to build the perfect burger for Dad, but watch out for obstacles like pots and pans. We use the arrow keys to move the burger around and catch the toppings, and afterwards we can write a message and take a screenshot of the ultimate Dad burger. Now that we know what the game should look like, let's get into the behind the scenes. In Tynker's tutorial, on the left side of the screen we have our instructions and the specific blocks of code that we need for our game. In the middle, we see the existing code and the blocks that we'll build on. All I need to do is read the instructions and drag the code from the instructions to the appropriate spot. We continue to follow the tutorial until it's time to test it out. Okay, maybe that wasn't the best burger, but now we can do some remixing and personalizing of our game. Make some edits and see what happens. Have fun, enjoy your epic burgers, happy Father's Day, and keep on coding, everyone. Bye!